up Animate, you are met with the welcome screen. From here you can select the preset that you need for the task at hand. For this class we will always be selecting the HD preset under Character Animation. This is for any type of animation you intend to export to video. Under the details to the right, you will see the video dimensions and the platform, ActionScript 3, a scripting language for controlling playback and interaction. Once I create the document, you will see the interface populate with all sorts of panels. At the very top we have the menu, which houses all the functions on the one side, and on the other side you should see the current workspace. Workspaces are layout presets meant to make your job easier. Take a minute to check them out and return to Essentials. If any of your panels has disappeared or shifted in position, you can reset the Essentials layout by clicking back on the Workspace dropdown and clicking Reset Essentials. Next we have the document panel, labeled Untitled 1, currently containing the scene. Below that, we have a timeline where we can set the speed of the video, add layers, and work with individual frames. To the right is our Properties panel, currently displaying the document's properties. And the tab next to that is our library, which stores props and characters. As you can see, the library is currently empty. Finally, to the far right is our Tools panel, and you'll notice that the default tool selected is the Selection tool, used for moving objects and modifying drawings. The stage, similar to an artboard or canvas, is where all the action takes place. This represents what is currently in the frame of your video. Drawings outside of it will not appear unless they move into frame later. I'm quickly drawing a few shapes, some ovals and rectangles, so we can have a look at how to move about the stage and work more accurately. The most obvious way to pan around is to use the vertical and horizontal scroll bars, or you can use the mouse wheel. The best way, however, is to hold down the spacebar while clicking and dragging on the stage. Whatever tool you were using before will switch back as soon as you release the spacebar. To zoom, I prefer to use the shortcut keys. You can also find zoom settings at the top of your scene panel, or in the view menu. To zoom into an object or drawing, select it first using the Select tool and zoom in using your shortcut keys. Notice how sharp this oval is. Even though we zoomed into it, we can't see any pixels or blurring. That is because the shape is a vector, and vectors are made up of computer-generated points and paths. We don't ever lose any quality until we export the animation to an image or video format. In the next video, we'll get a better feel for drawing with vectors.